Yo, what's up? Here I am at the Valley of the Kings. Just spent some time at Hatshepsut Temple, and I got some tickets. I get to see 3 tombs. I get to see Tutankhamun's King Tut's tomb today. So here we go. Tomb of Tutankhamun. Alright, that wraps it up for Valley of the Kings. I went through hell to get that footage and those pictures. So I hope you appreciate watching that. Hopefully, if not, whatever. I still went through hell to get those. And just a forewarning, if you want to get pictures, videos, Valley of the Kings, you will go through hell. Alright, well, have a good day. Thanks for watching. And I hope that was worth it. I hope it was worth the money. I got to a point where I just didn't even care anymore. I just wanted the footage. So, hope that was worth it. Have a great day. Peace.